What's up, guys? Good morning. Let's get this party started. As you guys can hear, I'm tired and I'm sleepy, and the market has been very slow, and so far, not a whole lot to sink our teeth into. Watch us did pretty good so far. We got 3 out of 5, so that's pretty good. This one over here, and I thought it was doing a cup and handle here, and it did. It worked out for just a split second and then decided to come on down. I don't know if I want to let it go all the way until 36 cents. It's another 10 bucks. But it looks like it's coming down to this little line here. If it doesn't bounce off this little line, it's going down further. Take a $40 loss on this piece of crap. What's up, Abu Adam? Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, Doug Funny. Captain, 2 down. What's up? Good morning. Yeah, this thing's turning into trash. Most of this stuff is trash. Don't get it twisted. Most of the stocks that we play early in the morning, most of them are trash. Some of them will turn around for us when market opens. Like yesterday, I called out BRAI when it was at $8.37. So that was pretty nice. Hopefully, people that were on the live stream caught that one. I know I alerted that on the Discord. That's for sure. And MNTS, how about that one, huh? Yeah, that one's been fire. That one has been amazing. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. And we'll see what we can't get into here. Can't find NCPL. It's another one that was a good call out. Good morning. So you guys know I'm also streaming on the tube there. That's just if you like one way or the other. This one's a little bit bigger of a float. It's 158 million. I was really thinking and wanted to break through that red line there. Maybe get up to here, but no, she didn't want to. She wanted to just kind of play with my emotions. Like I said, last line in the sand for this one's probably going to be right about here. If it breaks that, then I'll probably just take the loss and chalk it up to, well, that was a bad entry. Sometimes you wait for something to happen and you think it's happening and it's not happening. It was a fake out breakout. And I jumped the gun. So that is on me. That's 17 of you in here. Good morning. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. People don't know that I'm live, I guess, or something rather. AMSS. I don't know if you guys saw that one. Quick little explosion there on news. And sells 7,000 Series C preferred shares in 6.9 million placements, so 7 million placement. Hey, Risky, thank you for sharing. Appreciate you. And there it is. There's my line in the sand there on this little sucker. All right, let's see AMSS. Where can it go? Wow, 1430, huh? Recent IPO. Close enough there. Let's go there. So there's a gap. There's a gap on the 30-minute at 1430. Also, as you can see, that's where it's capped out a bunch of times on AMSS. Currently sitting at 1040, 1070. But there's 11. That target might hit sooner than I thought. Too expensive for me. Anything over, a couple bucks is way too expensive for me. I gotta rebuild my account because I destroyed it. Yeah, we'll just carry on instead of talking about that one, right? Morning, the one squib. Good morning. Oh, this thing looks like it's wanting to go. That is a heck of a ride there. Man, there's this one's big. DY Dicom Industry Inc. This thing's at 420. Closed yesterday at 420. Today it's at 537. It's up $116 in pre-market. DY. It's crazy. Good job. I don't know how to read your name, but spiders and stuff. Nice. Good for you. Just blocking someone real quick here, guys. Hang on a second. All right, there's one. All right, cool. There we go. Good. All right. All right, let's get back into this thing. So yeah, so there's a gap at 1430 on AMSS. MREO bounced off there a little bit for me. We'll see if it wants to do a triple bottom here because you got 1, 2, 3 big triple bottoms. Maybe it'll come back for me, come back over volume weighted average price. Need that volume to keep on coming in here. And I'll keep on looking for something else here. MNTS just exploding. Beautifully done there, Bubba. Yeah, so MNTS has been a watch list stock, so I'm very happy that it's kicking ass. Yeah, nice. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, Cree. Man, almost got that other target there. That was good. Good morning, Raul. Nice. Okay, let's keep on looking. As far as scanner, not seeing much. Little things popping up here. CPSH was alerted yesterday on the live stream as well. And CPSH cider blow up yesterday and today. Looking, guys, I'm sorry. Market's a little funky. Debating on it. Debating on it. Nah, again, it's too expensive. And see, that's the only problem that we have. Jay, what you're listening to. This is something a little different. This one's Kiko Lorero, something like that. It's due Monday. Yeah, I see it. I was thinking I'd make about $2 a share there. If I bought 10, that's $20, but that cost me a little more than I'd like it to on this one. I think AMSS is gonna go ahead and tap that gap 1427. If it can break through this 1250. If it can get through that 1427, then this thing's gonna move on. It's gonna go. See that? That nice big gap there. It's just got to not double top us right here, and we'll get that 1247. Possibly working on a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder. Sorry, inverted. Wow, inverted. See, I'm tired. I told you. I told you. I'm sleepy. This is a cup and handle pattern without the handle. Looks like it just wants to do another high here. Let's see. Is it going to tap that 1427? And we are close. 1372. Caleb, I don't have a portfolio. I do not have a portfolio. I have no stocks in my portfolio. Come on, baby. And good morning. Good morning, Debbie. Debbie, yeah, use the X. Decided to flutter out there. Hit 129, so I hit my first target on it, but didn't want to continue to run. Here we go. Here comes 14. Come on, push. SpaceX submits S1 for NASDAQ IPO. So I'm just gonna watch this until I find something better. Let's go get that target. There you go. There you go. Look at that. 1427 right on the dot. There we go. Guys, don't forget to take profits if you're the kind of person that wants to make money while you trade. Don't forget to take profits. Boom, there it is. There's target 2. All right, let's see. I think 17, so I'd say like 16.9, 16.8, 16.89. Let's go with 16.89. That's our next little target here. 16.89. There you go. Actually, that would be 3. Yep, MREO is a roller coaster. Yeah, it was supposed to, when I alerted it, it was supposed to finish off this cup and handle here, but it just didn't work out. It did not want to do it. Come on, AMSS, let's go. If you caught AMSS and made money off of AMSS because of my alert, then throw some fireballs in the chat. If not, if you're just here to hang out, then throw some eggplants in the chat. Remember, guys, if you're looking to subscribe for the full access to the website, the Discord, and to get the watch list, you guys, until the 1st, the new pricing starts on the 1st. Currently, it's $59.99 to get full access, $59.99 monthly. And with that, you get a watch list Sunday through Thursday before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for stocks to watch for the upcoming day. So far, today's watch list has hit, let's see, 3 out of 5 stocks have hit take profit 1, and a couple of them hit take profit 2. But yeah, so the price is going up to $99.99 a month for full access. The monthly for just the watch list is going to be going up as well. Currently, you're getting 50% off of that, and then you're getting a discount on just the Discord The Discord is going up to $59.99 a month. Currently, it's $39.99 a month for the live access, which is where I go when I leave here at 5. So I go on the Discord and do the same thing that I'm doing here. Yeah, this is not looking very hot. MREO, I'm in it. Currently losing $33 in it because I jumped in because I thought I was doing a cup and handle, and it decided to just fizz out. Volume decided to tank. I just had a feeling after I got in. I was like, ah, shit. That's probably a bad idea. And then I got stuck. Damn, missed AMSS the 1 second away from computer. Ah, man. Yeah, SNGX is dumping. Yep. Yep. Which one else is dumping there? MNTS dumped $2. UZX dumped. Needs to hold $1, basically $1.05. Let's see what else. NCPL dumped. IPWR dumping. This is a standard thing that happens every day. Stocks run and dump. You have DY, the one I told you guys was up $119. DY, it's an expensive stock. Pretty low float, 29 million, but it ran up to $537, and currently it's sitting at 510. So it's still up, but yeah, also dumped. If you think about it, 537 to 510, dumped $27. That's a lot. Wednesdays are typically pretty good, but you guys do have to remember we are on a short week. So bet it all 76. Okay. Yeah, we'll see if this thing wants to bounce off this trend line. That's really all I was waiting for. See if it breaks through the red line. And right now it currently looks like it might want to tap here. Breaks those, then this thing's tanking. This thing's gonna go back down to its hell. Yep. It breaks that and she's coming down. But currently just does not look good. This does not look healthy at all. But we'll see. We'll see. Sticking to my rules. I have a little bit different rules than I give you guys. You have rules that are a little bit more tight. Oh man, that's some good coffee. Mm-mm-mm. And be careful with UZX. That is a pump and dumper stock. I got a known pump and dumpers all over it. I just saw an alert. So, yep. But nice little bottom there. Did a little double bottom off this thing, off of 102. So it just broke through 105. Said 105 needed to hold 105. Did not. Yeah, things I learned from you. There will always be more runners. No reason to FOMO and jump in. Yeah, Nick, good job, man. Good job. You did pretty good. You did pretty good yesterday, didn't you? Yeah, you did. You kicked butt yesterday, man. Proud of you. Yeah, there's a few people that did pretty well yesterday on some of the alerts. I made $3 yesterday, $3.77. Two down in here, two down, man. Thanks, Gonzo. Thanks for the roses. Two down in here, man. Freaking, this dude's got the luck. He falls asleep, wakes up, and the stock's up a lot. Me, I fall asleep literally because I'm up. Like I'm up before I come on the live streams. I'm up before I even show my face on the Discord, trying to wake up. And so I'm up. I get like maybe 2, 3 hours of sleep a night, which I know is not very healthy, but well, it is what it is. Um, so whenever I get a chance, I try to take a little nap at my uncle's house. And man, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a little nap. And I was in what was I in? What was it? What was it? Let me see. CXAI. I was in CXAI and I was waiting for that thing to give me a couple bucks. And I set my stop. I set my take profit. And it just missed my take profit and it ended up going down and hit my stop loss and stopped me out. Saved me from having a red day yesterday. Um, it would have been a nice little green day, but CXAI decided to make sure that I wasn't too excited about my profits. So I made $3.77 yesterday. Fun times, fun times. You're waiting for incoming rain spike. Incoming rain spike. All right. And one of those crew and Korean Doug benefited with me. LOL. LOL. Yeah, I don't have the luck. LGHL. LGHL, guys. LGHL. Here it is. What news did it drop? Reaffirms long-term commitment to hybrid liquid, hyperliquid. Okay. Well, let's see if I can make a couple bucks back real quick on this thing. All right, so probably going to go to about 146. That's where it stopped out last time. 146, 150, possibly 192. Previous targets, we played this one before. Get those out of there. All right, let's see. I don't see any gaps. Yeah, so I'd say about 150. 150 is probably a safe bet. All right, let's see. Let's wait for a pullback here. Freaking Weeble's been goofing around, man. It's driving me nuts. I'd say that's your first target. Yeah, that's your first target after it hits 150. There it goes. There she goes. She didn't even really have a pullback. No pullback yet. There's 150. Okay. Come on, pull on back. All right. We're in it to win it. We got ourselves 100 shares here. Let's see what happens. Am I jinxy or am I not jinxy today? Looks like I'm jinxy. Thank you, Cree. Thank you, thank you. Good job. Good job, Cree. Good job. Thank you, thank you. All right, so let's see. Second leg up off of volume weighted average price. Let's see if it wants to do it. Ooh, looks like I'm jinxy. I am jinxy. As soon as I got in, that thing decided to come down. On a 1 minute chart. This is a 5 minute chart here, so I'm not stressing out yet. Another thing is if you keep your position size small, you don't really stress out. That's truth. That's the truth. Let's go, baby. Get that 197. That's what I'm thinking it wants to get to 197. Once it breaks through this 150, I think it has a good opportunity. But that volume's got to stay kicking. NCEL. Just happens, guys. Sometimes you're jinxy, sometimes you're not. It's a known phenomenon that happens in the trading world. Sometimes you get in at the right time and you think it's the right time. You think it's the pullback, but the pullback becomes a pullback back, like this one's becoming right now. I didn't think it was going to get to 110. Did not think 110 was going to happen, but it's pulling back. This is a deeper pullback than I even imagined, but it's doing it. So let's see if it wants to recover a little bit here. And MACD's not looking very hot. Needs some buying pressure here. This is all selling pressure right here. These 3 bars all sells. Sell, 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 and 1 buy for me. And 1 buy from me. I gotta get more coffee. I gotta get more coffee. It's gonna be a rough day if the coffee's not kicking. Come on, buying volume. Let's go. Get in there. Come on, get up. So the pullback went down a lot more than I thought it was going to do. Now it's above volume weighted average price, but not by much. So let's see if this thing wants to go a little harder here. Come on, let's go green. Let's go bullish. Green. Dun, dun, dun. Oh man. NCEL, look at that. So ran to 430 and then completely took a dump. Dude. Oh, Night Owl. Yep. UZX. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, UZX is just ups and downs on that thing. Just has to must gotta hold that 102 that it dropped. All right. That's a good little recovery here on LGHL. Come on. Let's get those targets. The volume's pumping right now. 442 so far on this candle. 500 on the previous one. 984 on the previous one. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's turn this red into green and keep on going to that target. At least get the first target. You know, I mean, technically the first target was 150, but I extended it to 172 because I thought it could do it if it did tap that 150, and it did. So now we just need to knock down those walls at 150. There's a 5,000 share wall at 150, so they can get through that with good pressure. There we go. There we go. 157, 161. Come on, baby. You got more. Next wall, 165. You got 10,000 shares sitting at 165. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. You guys enjoy this live, come on over with me to the Discord when I'm done here at 5 a.m. I'm done on TikTok. You'll be going over to the Discord there, carrying on with this live stream. On the Discord there, you'll get some more alerts like yesterday. As soon as I got off the TikTok live there, I jumped on the Discord, alerted BRAI. BRAI was a nice little runner. It ran $10 from the alert. Come on, baby. I don't like this top wick here. It's looking all right, though. It's okay. Let's see. There we go. Come on, push. Push through that 161. Let's go. Right here. Oh, eat up that wall. There we go. Eat up that wall. Come on, baby. Get 172. Come on. You can do it. Stack those bids, baby. Stack them. Stack them. You know, and I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna take this down to the first target, 172. Just gonna do that. Come on, baby, fill it, fill it. These top wicks are making me a little worried. So, oh man, come on. Come on, you can do it. Get your ass back up there. I'm gonna go get more coffee while this thing's jumping around. Hey, I dropped my target. I dropped it down at 172. We'll see if it wants it. Oh god. Stretch, 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 stretch. All right, let me go get that coffee. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Ah, come on now. That is just not fair. All right, so what's it doing? Let's see. Is it building some sort of a pattern here that we can see? Well, let's just draw some lines here. Let's put some lines on the screen. Go from this one to this one here. Let's make it green. All right, and then let's draw this one here to this one here. And look at that. There's your pattern right there. It's a rising wedge. That's what I see. I see a rising wedge pattern there. So that's good. That's good. Let's see if we can get that 172 on this push here. Don't you double top me, you punk. You punk, don't you do it. I took my profits 162. Good job, Captain. Solid work, man. Solid work. You know, and then we could all follow the exact same rules and we're all going to trade different. Nice. Night Owl took profits. Good job. Good job. So yeah, we could all trade on the same exact rules, but we're all going to make a different amount of money, or we'll lose, or or we'll break even, or what have you. It's because no one person is going to trade exactly the same. That's just how it is. We could all draw the same lines, but your risk, your aggressiveness, your ego is going to play into how you trade. And so my ego is playing into how I trade right now, as you can see, because I said it's going to hit 172. It hit 165. I didn't take profit, and now I'm red again. You see that? Froze up. That's interesting. Am I still frozen? Am I still frozen, Night Owl? That could be a TikTok thing. Yeah, still frozen. Okay, well, good old TikTok. Classic TikTok, right, Night Owl? See, you're smart. You're on the tube. So so you don't get the freeziness. You don't get the restrictions. You don't get all that crap. That's awesome. And I mean, right now we're like what, 16 minutes from me going over to Discord anyway. So I don't know if I want to start a new live. And I got, what is this? Support and feedback. Feedback. Still frozen? Still frozen. Yep. Gotta love TikTok. Sorry, I'm trying to fix their problem here on Tickety Talk. I gotta send them a screenshot of you guys saying that it's frozen and give them this right here, give them the time and date. There we go. And time and see, they want you to keep creating for them, but yeah, their support is god awful. La da 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 da. All right, there we go. Submitted the feedback to them. And oh, that is hilarious. Night Owl, David, can you guys still see me? Can you guys still see me, hear me? Yeah. So right now, I'm trying to send them feedback. It says no internet connection on TikTok. Seriously. That is amazing. Seriously, here, look. I don't know if it'll show it, but look. Look at this. No internet. Oh, TikTok. You gotta get your shit together. All right. Well, I'm just gonna go. I mean, Mitchell, can you see me on TikTok? Mitchell? 'Cause this is just poetic at this point. Man, I'm not even paying attention to my stock. I'm down. Damn. Shit happens, huh? I don't think there's anybody left on TikTok, right? Yeah, it shows 11 people in my live stream. Says people are joining, but it looks like it's still frozen. And I just got a appeal server error. We apologize for any inconvenience. That's awesome. All right. I'm fucking done with TikTok. It's annoying. Fucking TikTok. Oh my God. Yeah. Enjoy. That's fucking hilarious. Uh, they are annoying, very much so. All right, what else is moving here? AMSS is back down to 11 bucks. LGHL, as you guys can see, it's at 131. MNTS, 22 bucks. Man, it's been pretty good. Watchlist has been doing pretty good. Alerts have been doing pretty good. Not too shabby. BRTX. Uh, who asked me about that? Somebody asked me about that. And I said, I like it. And there it is. BRTX blowing up. There's BRTX blowing up. Let's do it. Let's jump all in right now. All in. Look. Look at this. Doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Wow. Buying power insufficient. Oh, I'm just fucking with you guys. I knew it was insufficient. Um, all right, let's see. Uh, there we go. So it took that feedback, so it's good. Let's see here. All right. And offline on TikTok, so that's good. It's 4:54. All right, what is going on here? So BRTX did a beautiful job here. So somebody asked me about BRTX. Sounds good. Frozen on both. Hey, did it freeze on YouTube? Did you guys get it? Was it frozen on YouTube or no? No, it's fine. Night Owl says it's fine. Huh, interesting. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in on the Discord. At this point, BRTX looks like it wants to go to this 80.49. So we waited for the pullback. We're gonna go ahead and do a little something, something here. Whoa. Do like 200 shares. Let's see. There we go. Good. So we're in it there. Let's just put the sell up here so I'm not paying attention. There we go. Okay. Let's get in on the Discord. I will see you guys there. Peace.